Boy, I'm going to tell you, I just love these fabrics. So the suggestion was suggested to put up fabrics that would make 621, which is our POM. 621 is the Alyce blouse. So I did that. And all of these, but they are just beautiful. Even if you decide not to make that blouse, these are just beautiful fabrics. We're going to start with 100% cotton. It's that dark gold gray that's so beautiful for fall right now. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. You can use the shine side, the crepe back satin, or you can use the matte side. 100% cotton, it's a woven. We've got 100% viscose, great bright colors and great drape, and again for that twist would be absolutely stunning. Be a beautiful blouse, really pretty blouse. Then this is an Hermes. This is the only knit I put in here because it would be beautiful in a knit. And you can see it's just a lovely solid color. It's just beautiful. Hermes, this is 100% cotton, has stretch in one direction. Then a stripe, even though it is a feminine pattern, I thought wouldn't it be fun to play with that stripe? Oh, man, I can just see it now, kind of, or maybe doing a little half solid. You guys, you know, that's where all this fun imagination is going to come from. I can't wait to see what we get. This is a beautiful black. It is a stretch woven. It's a cotton silk. It's just lovely. It's a lovely piece of fabric. Just the drape is beautiful. Again, it would be beautiful to do monochromatic pants and top the same color. And then I can't say enough for this fabric because I have it on and I love it. This is 100% viscose. It has great drape. I just love this blouse. I can throw it on and wear it all day and it's just as comfortable as can be. And it just looks pretty. I get so many compliments on it. I just really, really like it. So there you have it. All great choices for that blouse, 621, or you're choosing of something else. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Pattern.